In this video we will study about the structure of human heart. Structure of human heart. LAQ answer carries 6 marks, 4 or 5 according to your question paper. Clear? And what is the first point you will write here? The weight of the human heart. The weight of the human heart. Weight of the human heart is about 300 to 350 grams. 300 to 350 grams in males, and 250 to 300 grams. 250 to 300 grams in females. Second point, the length of the heart. The length of the heart is about 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter, and width about 8.5 centimeter. 8.5 centimeter, and thickness is about 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, and the color of the heart is reddish brown. Reddish brown in color. Clear? And third point, the heart is present. The heart is present right in the center. Right in the center, between the two lungs. Between the two lungs. In the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity otherwise called as chest cavity. Okay. Between. Okay, present. Actually, we think that the heart is present in the middle of thoracic cavity, but slightly towards the left. But actually, it's not like that. It is present in between only, completely in between the lungs, two lungs, right lung and left lung. Because the right ventricle pumps the blood to each and every parts of the body, the pressure will be more. So we'll feel the movement of heart in left side. Clear? Fourth point, the heart is protected by. The heart is protected by rib cage. Heart is protected by rib cage. From the front, rib cage, and from the back, spinal cord. Clear? And fifth point, heart is enclosed by. Heart is enclosed by double layer membrane. Double layered membrane. Double layer membranes called pericardium. Pericardium. Clear? This is the fifth. And sixth point, pericardium. This pericardium, it is a double layer membrane. First membrane, second membrane. Between these layers, first layer, second layer of membrane, here space will be there. This space will be filled up with a fluid. Okay, so you can write like this: pericardium is filled with fluid called pericardial fluid. Pericardial fluid. And clear. And what the function of this pericardial fluid? It protects, here itself we can write, it protects the heart from any mechanical, any kind of mechanical injury or shocks. Injury and shock. Okay, the main work of pericardial fluid is that it protects the heart from physical shocks and injuries, you can write. Then 7th one, the heart is a hollow organ. Okay, the heart is hollow and highly muscular and highly specialized blood vessel. Specialized blood vessel. Clear, it's a blood vessel container, a blood container here. Clear. Hollow one, it doesn't have any bone at all. Then 8th one you can write, the heart consists of 4 chambers. 4 chambers. 4 chambers. Chambers means loops, compartments. Okay, compartments. In that, 2 are called auricles. And other 2 are called ventricles. Clear, the heart consists of 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Then the main function of the heart. That is the main point here. No? The main function of the heart. The main function of the heart is to pump blood via 3-4 parts are there. Via the veins are there. Okay, capillaries are there. Capillaries and arteries. Clear. And the last and final point, the study of heart. The study of heart is known as, or is called, cardiology. Clear. This is the structure of heart. Clear. And what is the weight of the heart? 300 to 350 grams in male, and whereas in female 250 to 300 grams. And what is the length of the heart? 12 centimeter. Width will be 8.5 centimeter. Width, length 12 centimeters, width 8.5 centimeter, and thickness 6 centimeters. Okay, and what is the color? Reddish brown in color. Wherever you will see this blue color and red color, blue indicate they are the veins. Red indicate they are the arteries. Blue color, why they will give the blue color here in veins? Because the blood which is flowing in veins, that blood is called as deoxygenated blood. That means the quantity of carbon dioxide will be more in the blood. Whereas red color arteries, in that oxygenated blood is present. Quantity of oxygen will be more in that blood, so the name is given as oxygenated blood. Anyway, so this heart is present right in the center. It is present in the center of the chest cavity, thoracic cavity. Okay, because the ventricle, the left ventricle pumps the blood with a powerful jerk. So we feel the movement of heart, loved up. The movement, you can feel that in left side. Clear. And from the front side, it is protected by the rib cage. Okay, from the front side it is protected by the rib cage, and from the back it is protected by spinal cord. From the front side it is protected by rib cage. From the back, spinal cord. Then total heart is enclosed by double layer membrane. Total heart is enclosed or covered by double layer membrane. What is the membrane is called as pericardium. What is the membrane called as pericardium? And this double layer, it is a double layer. First layer, second layer. The space between in this, it is filled with the fluid, and that fluid is called pericardial fluid. What is the fluid is called as pericardial fluid? What is the function of this pericardial fluid? It protects the heart. It protects the heart from physical shocks and injuries. Clear? Then heart consists of, it is a highly muscular bag. Okay, highly muscular vessel, you can tell, blood vessel. Okay, then heart consists of 4 chambers, 2 auricles, 2 ventricles, 2 auricles, 2 ventricles. Human heart consists of fully complete 4 chamber heart. Okay, 2 auricles, 2 ventricles. Clear? And the main function of our heart is to pump the blood. Okay, to pump the blood to various parts of the body through via vein, capillaries and arteries. In arteries, always the oxygenated blood will be there, and veins always deoxygenated blood. Then study of heart is called as cardiology. Clear? The study of heart is called as the cardiology.